Hi guys, this is Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this training video. Today is our second class in Illustrator training. In my first class, I taught you how to use the selection tool and how to move around the object, and I gave you an overview of the Illustrator interface. In the second class, I'll be teaching you how to use the direct selection tool to reshape an object and add basic fill color inside it, and also I'll be providing you with an exercise file which you can download and practice yourself. So before we get into the class, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and hit the like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and families. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello. Yeah, today we'll be learning on how to use the direct selection tool. In the first class, I taught you how to use the selection tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you can draw out a shape. Once you click and hold here on the rectangle tool, it will also show you a list of other shapes you can make, and this is this arrow. You can just click on this, so it will detach that panel from there, and you can easily select any of the shapes you want to draw on the canvas. So suppose I'll just draw a perfect square while holding down shift on the keyboard, and then grab your direct selection tool. With this, you will be able to reshape an object by clicking on any of the anchor points. Anchor points are these corner ones. If you take your mouse on it, it will let you know that that's the anchor point of that object. Just click and drag this anchor point and align it to the center, and it will snap itself, and you can see now it's out in a triangle shape. And to turn on these guides, which will help you to snap the objects in place, to just go to view and click on smart guides and snap to point as well. So another way you can use anchor point direct selection tool, I'll show you. I'll just delete this one, and I'll click on this ellipse tool, and I'll create a perfect circle. And now if you just click on the direct selection tool, and if you click on this anchor point, you'll see it will also have these two handles which you can maneuver like this and reshape the object. And also if you just click on this anchor point and click on delete, it will delete that portion, and now it's just a half circle. And suppose you just want to join these two dots, you can do that by just clicking undo, and then just click on this anchor point and click and drag towards the middle center here, and then grab this anchor point's handle, and while holding down shift, just bring it down till those two align together at the center middle point. Same you can do for the right handle. Just click and drag while holding down shift, and now you can see now we have a half circle. Now I'll show you how to fill the color in any object in Illustrator. So just click on this object, and now you can see here there are two options you have. This one is the stroke. If you take your mouse on it, it will just show you it has a black stroke, and fill is no fill is inside it, so it has a red line with just a diagonal red line in it. So to add fill in this, just double click on this, and it will pop up a color picker. From here you can just choose any color you want. So now you see it has a light green fill and a black outline. So if you want to change the outline color, just double click on this, and now you can choose any color you want from this color picker. I'll make it red, and right now you're not able to see it because the thickness of the outline is too less. So just click on it, and on the top, if you come here, stroke is 1 point, so you can just click and drag. You can just click on this drop down menu, and you'll be able to increase it from here, or else you can also use these up and down arrows to increase the stroke on the object, or you can just click inside and just type the value inside it yourself. Another shortcut to add the stroke and fill color in object is here itself. Here it is showing it has red stroke. You can just change it to purple. You see that it has taken effect at the bottom right there. And the next to it is the fill color. You can change the color fill from here as well by clicking any of these colors. And for this training purpose, I have also included this small project file which you can practice on in how to make shapes and add fill color in it, and use the direct selection tool as well inside it. I'll show you what do I mean by this. So you can retrace these icons to practice on how to use the shapes tool in Illustrator. So let's make this first smiley icon. I'll show you step by step on how to make this one, so later on you can practice on any of these ones yourself as well. I will leave this file in the description so you can download it from below. So let's get started. First grab your ellipse tool, and while holding down shift, create a perfect circle. Right now it has a white fill and no stroke, that's why you're not able to see it. We'll change the stroke and fill color just now. I'll go to the top and I'll make the stroke black, and I'll click on the fill and I'll make it none. So now you see it has a black outline. At the end, after we complete making this full shape, then I'll show you how to add the same color inside that. So once that is done, you can also just zoom in by clicking on Command plus, so you'll be able to see it more clearly how we are making this icon. So I'll just place it on top of it here. So now we have the outer part. Now we'll create these eyes. Again, grab your ellipse tool. While holding down shift, click and drag, and then click on this selection tool, and then just center it, and click on shift while resizing it. You can remove the stroke from this and add a fill of dark gray. So now we have created one eye. So to duplicate this one, just click on Alt, click and drag, and it will make a duplicate of that eye copy. So now we have the eyes ready. Now we just need to create the smiley shape. So this is actually, you can use it by creating a half circle. I'll show you that to you. We just did it in the beginning of this training video. Just click on this, click and drag a perfect circle. Once that's done, just make the stroke dark gray and click on the fill and make it none. Then grab your direct selection tool and click on this middle anchor point and bring it to the center while holding down shift. Same way do for this too. Left and right handles, and now we have that kind of shape. Now you can also round the edges of this smiley by clicking on stroke here, and you can see the cap is set to butt cap. You can click on round cap, and also the corner is set to milter joint. You can just click on round joint. So now it will have that rounded effect. You're not able to see it because the thickness of our smiley is not as per that. So I'll just place it on top here, and while holding down shift, click and drag to resize it till there. Now you can increase your stroke from here. clicking on, I'll just click 4 points. Now that is done. Just click on, while holding down shift, click this eye and this eye and the smiley and also the black border. So now then click and drag it out of here, so you'll see what we have created. We have created that same smiley icon. Now only we need to do is add the fill of yellow inside it. To do that, just click on this outer circle and then click on eyedropper tool and click on this yellow color. It will give that same color to that. And now you can see the smiley face has a white fill inside it. You can also get that by just clicking on this one, and now go up to the top, click on the fill and click on this white. So now you can see we have that kind of similar shape. You can also resize it a bit, and also you can just decrease the stroke. I'll keep it to 3.5. So that's how you can use shapes in Illustrator to make smiley icons and much more. So I'll leave this file in the description below, so you can download it and retrace icons on top of it and make your own icons, so you'll be able to grasp how to use this shapes tool in Illustrator. That's it for this class, guys. I hope you have learned something from this training video. If you do have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. So I have provided the exercise file in the description below, where you can just download and practice yourself. Also, to check out more of these training videos, you can also visit my website kazemdesign.com. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and share this video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.